personalities that we had in Reagan, sugarcane history. First, Indo. He was the chairman and the CEO of CEFIPRA-FUNDED in Reagan Island. And he was also the chairman of IFCPAR. That was the 65. Okay. Max Media was also a very important person for our sugar industry. He worked for Sugar Mill, and he was at the origin of some new techniques in the sugar industry. And everybody was the director of Sugarcane, called Sugarcane at the time. And he was also the cane breeder for the popular R570 variety. So sugarcane industry in Réunion, so it's a bit more than 21,000 hectares. We've got 2 sugarcane factories, Bois Rouge sugar mill in the northeast and Le Gaulle sugar mill in the southwest. So we are somewhere here today. We've got more than 2,000 cane producers. So 100% of the cane is produced by our growers, and they deliver the cane to the sugar mills. And we produce in average, well, depends on the years, but let's say 1.6 million tons of cane every year. But the crushing capacity of each mill is about 1 million tons of cane. So we can produce more than that, and we would like to produce more. So which is about 170,000 tons of sugar every year. So the context of so in average, we've got what we call small farms. For France, let's say agriculture. So the average size of one cane farm is about 9 hectares. So all the industry together, if you add the direct, indirect, and related jobs, it's over 80,000 persons, which represents about 12% of the private sector of Reagan Island. And we make mainly sugar in Reagan, out of the molasses, but it's mainly sugar-based production, and we represent about 80% of the sugar, the cane sugar from France overseas department. We have activities in research and development sector. First, CIRAD, with Christophe and his team. They work on genetics, plant pathology, entomology, agronomy, we will document it later today. I guess it's something that is the reason. In Sugarcane, we are working on plant breeding, cropping techniques, sugar processes, industrial automation, and biorefinery. And you have here Thomas Dumont at the end is responsible of the breeding program. Okay. He's working in hybridization with Mathilde just next to him. And Alice Mansuy is our responsible for the cropping techniques. And Alice is also the coordinator of our network, which is called RITA. It's the name for our Agricultural Innovation and Transfer Network. So it's put together all the people working in sugarcane in Réunion. It's like a network, and then we try to have everybody pushing the same side. That sounds great. So sugarcane, which is important in Réunion, we have some cyclones every year in Réunion. So it's a crop adapted to our natural risks, resistant to climatic hazards. You say that about 80% of sugarcane production withstands even with the impact of a cyclone, of a big cyclone. It also has been very important for soil maintenance, erosion control, water manipulation, and natural risk management in general. So we have an active, ongoing agroecological approach in Réunion. First, we grow sugarcane without any insecticide. Where we have biological pest control for the main pest, which is a white bug. We grow sugarcane without fungicides as well, thanks to the variety resistance to the main disease of sugarcane. And we have a reduced herbicide use. We use the TFI, the treatment frequency index, and in sugarcane in Réunion it's about 3 or 4, 3 something at least, which is low compared to other crops. You get, for example, potatoes 19, open field market gardening between 12 and 17, food 6, Bagasse is burned in a power plant to produce electricity. Bagasse ashes return to sugarcane fields. It's good for, especially in our acid soils, for pH correction. We've got the molasses that are used to produce rum. And from the field and from the factory, but we've got the cane straw that stays to the field. So it's good for fertilization, but also for weed control. And part of the cane straw is going for livestock. And a little bit of the molasses as well, but not that much. And the livestock effluents go back to the cane fields as fertilizer. So it's a key sector for energy self-sufficiency as well. So bagasse in Réunion as primary local source of renewable energy. So bagasse and bioethanol, less and less. It's nearly 50% of our renewable energy. You can see here, this is the local renewable energy consumption in Romania, 46% from bagasse. We also have some hydroelectric power, photovoltaic panels, solar thermal, a little bit of bioethanol fuels, and some biogas. And the bagasse, only the bagasse is about 7% of the island's electricity production. So with the molasses, we are, of course, doing some wrong, but in the good years, when we have a good cane production, which is not the case this year and last year, but in the good years, we can generate electricity from the local residual molasses converted into bioethanol. In the good years, we produce rum out of the molasses, and after the rum production, we have the molasses left, and then we can produce some bioethanol that is used to produce electricity. But now we are importing bioethanol to run this this turbine.
What is the purity you are producing? Bioethanol?
Purity?
Ethanol purity?
I don't know what else.
Yeah, he is asking, what is the purity of your bioethanol? Probably this would have less than 99.3 or 4%. Absolutely.
Okay. It's not dehydrogenated. It's out of our normal distilleries that we have it. So we have in Serbia in the south a combustion turbine powered by bioethanol. It's like an airplane motor turbine, and we can use bioethanol and diesel as well to run this. And it's run only on the peak of the consumption every day, not 24 hours. Mainly on the evening, or in case of any trouble on the left.
We can reach maximum production 7 minutes.
Yeah. To turn on, when it's switched off, to turn on after 7 minutes, they can produce already 40 megawatt. Yeah, just 7 minutes. So it's used for the peak consumption every day in the evening. It's nice. And then they switch off the turbine when we don't need it. This is just an airplane turbine. Just like you switch off the plane, yeah. This is General Electric turbine. Yeah. It's the same turbine that you have in the Boeing 747. Same one. But we import the pellets. We don't produce it here from here. So we import from certified forests from Southwest Asia or Canada. Yes.
We used to have more regulation of the high current with the current with 4.2 we didn't have hard to get this high current like 6,200 cc. Right? We were going close to that is it. We want to avoid this code. And he used to use more of biofuel as a solvent for
We are obliged to use pellets which come from
Certified forests.
sustainable forest.
From which country? Rio?
Well, from Southwest Asia, from Canada, from the United States, Australia, we're from Australia as well. But it has to be certified to be sustainable. We have to buy those pellets from producers that are replanting the forest, not just cutting it and doing something else. And it has to be certified. So a few words about food sovereignty in Romania. So sugarcane is an essential crop to develop our food sovereignty because as a semi-perennial, cyclone-resistant crop, it offers farmers a secure income and the flexibility to diversify. So it remains our main crop. I can say that 50% of our agricultural area is sugarcane. But once the growers they have this secure income, they can diversify with other kind of crops. And you can see the percentage of locally produced, fresh produced in Armenia. For example, we are at 100% or nearly 100% for pork, poultry, rabbit, eggs and sugar. And then we import some of the rest. And so we are producing between 70 and 80% in fresh agricultural produce in Armenia. And we import the rest, of course. So about the research and development for the sector, so cane grazing and selection. So Romanian Academy program was launched in 1929 with the aim of developing sugarcane varieties adapted to our very diverse agroclimatic conditions. But I won't talk a lot about it because Thomas will make a presentation this afternoon on this subject especially. So we developed new sugarcane varieties with selection and hybridization. We focus a lot on disease control mainly. About the cropping techniques, so we work a lot of different cropping techniques since 2007. We have gradually expanded our focus by implementing various research and development initiatives. So we work on a lot of green control, which is very important for us. We certify new products. We work on integrated herbicide treatments and also alternative, less chemical-intensive methods with cover crop, micromechanization, and other techniques developed by IFCPAR. We also work a lot on fertilization with the optimization use of non-organic fertilizers and enhancements, and also using organic matter, local organic matter, as a substitute for imported fertilizers. We work on simplified tillage and mechanization to reduce our cost of production, to prevent erosion risks, and also to encourage field regeneration, because we don't replant enough in Romania, and we try to encourage our growers to replant more often. And of course, extension, with extension services as well. With the Mutacan, and we work with different kind of methods, with demonstration plots, workshops, technical data sheets, but also training of technicians, of farmers. So about our industry, we have an industry at the forefront of technology. In Sugarcane, we've got two different services working for our sugar mill. First, the Industrial Processes and Innovation Service, established in 1985 and specialized in optimizing sugar extraction processes less power consumption into the sugar mill. And we also work on industrial control and automation since 1973 to help our sugar mills and sugar distilleries with automation. So it has become a model of industrial efficiency in cane sugar production. And in the story, we did 9 world-first innovation in Romania in recent decades. It has been the source of numerous technical innovations. Like, it was the first bagasse cogeneration unit in the world. It was in Orange, in Nigeria. We also had the falling film evaporation solution, innovative sugar cooling system, and we also developed a device to measure the granulometry of sugar in real time.
So you have this falling film evaporation solution.
Yes. Are you going to visit the factories? Yes.
Yes.
Good. Okay. You can ask Julien about that. Yes. On Friday or Thursday. Thursday.
Because normally because we have started thinking about using this problem.
Okay. You can ask about that. So just a few details about the sugar mill. This is what Guaro sugar mill. So the range for 5 hours. So 23 weeks of crushing season with a cane tonnage, which is a bit low because the crushing capacity is 1 million ton of cane, and we also crush 760,000 ton of cane in average. With a sugar tonnage, we got the bagasse, all the main numbers for Guaro sugar mill. And
between sugar, Guaro sugar mill and the sugar mill, Guaro sugar mill
it's
diffusion system. And in the sugar mill,
we've got 5 mills in the world, and the Guaro, we've got here we've got the press filter, then the diffuser, and after the diffuser we've got 2 mills, but the mills are mainly there to dry the bagasse, to have the bagasse at 50% humidity in order to be immersed into the water. Yes, we use sugar paracels. 12 months. It's about 4 vacuums, and for planted cane, it's between 12 and 18. It depends when you count the field.
As per your data, the bagasse shape is supposed to maintain 10%.
Yeah, that's because we got the fiber content. The fiber content of our cane is about 15%. And as the bagasse humidity is 50%, then you get well, the Guaro is not very high, just less than 10% if you make the difference between the sugar tonnage and cane tonnage. But in le gold is at 10.5%.
I was you are getting some 10.5.
And even with the yeah. And here the bagasse ratio is 30.
But bagasse ratio is very high.
Yeah. Because the fiber content of the cane is high.
So you use which you use around bagasse.
Yeah, that's mainly because
You
of
have
the
data fiber percent is very high.
yeah, fiber content is in cane, and then the bagasse is made of fiber and water. And as the humidity, the water content in the bagasse is 50%, so you double the fiber content.
No, but India, the average fiber content of sugar is bagasse. Okay,
So we have a certified industry, which is very important for us. Both of our sugar mills meet the most stringent certification requirements with ISO 9001 for 14,001, and also the food safety management certification. And local sugar mill was the first cane mill in the world to be certified for food safety management, and we are also the first in Europe to be certified for quality management.
Long live India and France friendship.